I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Jain tomato sauce using an easy method. First, select about 1 kilogram of ripe, red tomatoes as their sweetness is key. You'll also need a small piece of ginger, a couple of green chilies, and common spices like turmeric and red chili powder. Remember, Jain cooking avoids root vegetables, so no onions or garlic are used here. This simple approach ensures a delicious and authentic sauce. Now let's prepare our tomatoes for cooking. Begin by thoroughly washing about 1 kilogram of ripe tomatoes. Then blanch them in boiling water for just 2 to 3 minutes. This makes peeling much easier. Once cooled, carefully peel off the skins and remove the seeds to achieve a wonderfully smooth sauce. Finally, roughly chop the blanched tomatoes into small pieces, ready for the next step. It's time to cook our delicious sauce. Heat about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil in a pan. Add a small amount of grated ginger and finely chopped green chilies, sautéing them briefly. Next, add your chopped tomatoes and cook them down until they are very soft. Stir in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Let the sauce simmer gently for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing it to thicken and flavors to meld beautifully. To finish your perfect Jain tomato sauce, season it with salt to taste and add a small pinch of sugar to enhance the natural sweetness of the tomatoes. You can then blend the sauce to your preferred consistency, whether you like it perfectly smooth or with a little texture. Once cooled, store your delicious homemade sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy this versatile sauce with pasta, vegetables, or any Jain meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.